Hi, I'm Joyce Gerber with Health is an Inside Job. And I want to invite you to a very special class I'm going to be teaching called Creating a Strong Immune System, the Three Pillars. And the three pillars that are so important to focus on when you want to get healthy, stay healthy, or reverse disease are detoxification, regenerative nutrition, and gut restoration. When you focus on those three things, you have a very strong immune system and a very high level of health as a result. So please join me in this class and you will come away being an empowered body owner. I look forward to sharing this time with you. Thank you.